Welcome to Arctic Wolf Zoom Diaries, where we take time to catch up with our pack members. This month, we're celebrating Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. We've invited a few members from our Honoring Asian and Pacific Islanders Pack Unity Alliance to join us today. Thanks to everyone for taking the call. Can you tell me a little bit about your Pack Unity Alliance? What's your focus?
Our Pack Unity Alliance is Happy Wolves, which stands for Honoring Asian Pacific Islanders. What we focus on is creating a community of Wolf Pack members from API Heritage or whoever would like to learn more about it. We host networking and learning opportunities for our Happy Wolves and their allies here at Arctic Wolf.
This is to provide a platform to share, celebrate, and honor the different traditions and cultures of our fellow wolves that helps paint a more holistic picture of them just beyond their role as well.
What are you most proud of?
I am most proud of the drive that our alliance has to discover and embrace each other's backgrounds, whether it is the country that they live in or the countries that they are from.
What inspires you to lead within Pack Unity?
What inspires me to lead within Pack Unity is the opportunity in my 20-year career. I've never been able to share my culture and my experiences with other companies. So Arctic Wolf giving me this opportunity, I want to seize it as best I can.
In one word, what does it feel like to be part of the pack?
My one word answer for that would be inhibitions. I don't want people to fall for these inhibitions or false assumptions about themselves that if we did not grow in this culture or we do not completely understand the humor, we are any less. So what I want to make sure that people feel comfortable, people feel welcome to bring their authentic self to work. And that is what I want to do with this Pack Unity.
A word I will use to describing being part of the pack is accepting. So to have the opportunity to speak and be heard.
Teamwork. I feel so blessed to be together with so many talented people, bringing our energy together, and we achieve synergy. The total exceeds the sum of the parts.
What do you believe the pack can do together?
We help encourage other wolves and allies to be part of our pack, regardless of where you come from at Arctic Wolf, in spite of your geolocation and all. We hope that we can accomplish many things with this pack.
Together, I believe the Happy Pack Unity Alliance will change the perception of other people's cultures and become more, hopefully, worldly as a result.
I feel together the pack can help others to be more empathetic. And when I say empathetic, at the end, we all first have to try to be human beings. And when we say human beings, we have to learn the art of kindness and respecting other human beings. And that will come when we feel more empathetic and understand the other cultures and be supportive of those cultures.
Thanks to all the panelists for joining today and for your insightful answers. Ready to take the next step in your career and join the pack? Visit arcticwolf.com/careers or click the link in the bio below. Who knows, you might be next to answer the call.